2026 has officially changed the game. We've moved past simple chatbots into a world of autonomous agents and cinema-grade generators. Today, we're breaking down the big six, the models defining the frontier right now. Let's dive in. Meet GPT-5, the model that officially killed the simple chatbot era. Launched in August 2025 and refined throughout early 2026, this isn't just an update, it's a unified reasoning system. With a 400,000 token context window and a massive reduction in hallucinations, GPT-5 introduces adaptive thinking. It can toggle between instant responses for basic facts and extended reasoning for complex problem solving. Whether you're planning a month of content or debugging a massive script, GPT-5 is now the gold standard for agentic task execution. Next is Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro. If you're a creator or a researcher, this is your powerhouse. It's built on a natively multimodal architecture, meaning it sees and hears just as well as it reads. It's the king of long-form data, handling over 1 million tokens with ease. Whether you're dropping in a 2,000-page PDF or an hour of raw 4K footage, Gemini's real-time grounding makes it the most capable research assistant in the 2026 lineup. For the developers, Claude 4.6 Sonnet by Anthropic is the undisputed champion. It's optimized for what they call agentic coding. It doesn't just write snippets, it can manage entire multi-file code bases for over 30 hours straight without losing coherence. With its new memory tool and hybrid reasoning, Claude 4.6 is less of a tool and more of a senior engineer that lives in your terminal. Representing the open source movement is Meta's Llama 4 Scout. This model proves you don't need a closed subscription for frontier power. Built on a massive 10 million token context window, Scout is a high-efficiency model designed to run locally on consumer-grade hardware. It's fast, decentralized, and perfect for creators who want to own their data without sacrificing that 2026 level reasoning. Moving into the visual revolution, we have Google Veo 3.1. This is the end of silent AI video. Veo 3.1 generates stunning 4K cinematic clips with natively synchronized audio. It understands the physics of sound. If something falls in the frame, you hear it exactly when it hits the ground. With its flow editing tool, it's a filmmaker's dream for social media and high-end ad production. Finally, OpenAI's Sora 2. The big update here is temporal consistency. Sora 2 has finally solved the character flickering problem, allowing you to generate 60-second scenes where your characters and environments look identical from shot to shot. It even features a partnership with Disney for licensed character cameos. If you're telling a long-form narrative with AI, Sora 2 is the model that brings the story to life. 6 models, 6 different ways to change how you work. But which one is joining your workflow? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI breakdowns. See you in the next one.